So, do you think same?
Yeah, I'm in the positive way. Because of postmortem, the agency have better proof to be confirmed this is a murder or a suicide or anything else. This is a very good thing to be continued.
Assalamu alaikum, namaste, namaskar. Good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have come with an amazing topic that's going to be as a GD class. I will be inviting one by one over here, and we will be asking questions and answers. Having the topic is in India, not only in India, there are several countries, they have this system. Let me tell you the name of the countries. Especially we are living in India, so we will talk about in India. India, Germany, France, America, and as well as so many developed countries like China. So they have this system. So in the name of this, they are also developing. The medical sector is also developing due to this. So that is postmortem system. In India, we have postmortem system, so we know very well due to postmortem, we also clarified COVID-19 coronavirus. We also clarified due to postmortem what is TB disease, and due to postmortem we also clarified cancer, and we also clarified so many diseases. So due to that, we have so many researches in universities, in labs, in postmortem house, we can say. So for that, is it have only positive way, or is it have negative way, or it has minus plus both? So I will be inviting one by one, and of course, please clap for Mr. Mohammed Faraz. Please come on the stage. And the next person, please clap for Ms. Mulira. You also come on the stage. You can take your copy. Absolutely, you can take your copy. But don't see very much in your copy, right? Don't see very much. The next person, please clap for Mr. Waris. Please come on the stage. Simple question. Let me have the definition of this postmortem. The definition of postmortem. Okay, you want to say, what is the definition of postmortem?
So, hello everyone. My name is Sudhanshu, and today topic of postmortem, and question is what is definition of postmortem? Postmortem is between of two words, post and mortem. Post means after, and mortem means death after death. So this is.
That's the meaning of this word postmortem, right? It has become from two words, post and mortem, right? It is. So, first of all, the question I'm gonna ask you, and be ready, all of you. What do you think? Because everybody has own opinion, can share negative side, can also share positive side, and you can also share both side. So first of all, Mr. Muhammad Faz, tell me, what do you think? Do you take it as a negative way or as a positive way, or both?
I'm taking a positive way. Opinions. Because in the postmortem, so there are so much we can say benefits of students, of doctors, and so many research for so many research. So therefore I'm taking this as a positive way.
So do you think same?
Yeah, I'm in the positive way. Because of postmortem, the agency have better proof to be confirmed this is a murder or a suicide or anything else. This is a very good thing to be continued.
Right. So the purpose of postmortem to clarify the main cause of death, right? So that's why we have postmortem. But one question I'm gonna ask you, and who would like to give answer can raise hand. Like when the death cause that's already clear, then why we need postmortem? Okay, yes.
You ask. why we need post-mortem when we know that this death caused by falling from a building. But there is a one twist that we have to know, the agency have to know that this thing, why is this happen? Is this suicide or someone pushed it? Someone pushed it from behind of this victim. That's why they give the post-mortem, they do the post-mortem for this thing.
Yes, absolutely. Like basically, after that, like, is it also clear? No matter due to accident, eyewitness are there and proofs are there. We have to clarify legally. Legally, we have to clarify. We have to tell the families. This was the reason. That is why this death has occurred. This incident has occurred, right? And after that, we also go through. Maybe it was heart attack due to that person fallen down from the building. It can be, right? And one more question, right? Who would like to give answer? Like types of postmortem in India.
I know.
Yes, go ahead. You also know? Yes. Types of postmortem.
In India, types of three types of postmortem. Number 1, medico. In this postmortem, like a criminal, we have idea this postmortem to order of DM. And second is like pathological. In this postmortem, we have idea the reason research of student to take like hard in lab to research how to make medicine. And last one is that anatomical. In this postmortem we had transfer of like heart, lungs, many things transfer. So these 3 types of postmortem in India.
In India. So basically, listen for the information. If you have no idea about, we have 3 types of postmortem. The last one, anatomical.
Anatomical, yeah.
Right.
Autospy.
Yes. Can you say something about it?
What?
Anatomical.
What?
Postmortem.
Elaborate.
Yes.
Anatomical postmortem. It's for like donation. People.
Yeah, okay.
It's for donation, like a person who is skilled and his problem heart problem, he's suffering heart problem. So one like that person is dead. So in that person we can take heart and we can join another person for another person. So that is why anatomical.
Right. So basically, for the donation, like sometimes we also see in a family a person has died and they want money from that person. They also want money. So that is why just they say, so in the name of like जिंदे में तो कुछ दिया नहीं तो मर के कुछ दे दो. So that is why
We can sell our body parts also.
we can sell in a legally way. This is system available in our country. I want to ask you this question: do you think that in our schools, colleges, after not small kids and not small children, especially, do you think that should we conduct classes, practical classes? One more thing, listen, all of you, should we conduct practical classes in our school for postmortem? Like to postmortem for awareness, like it will be helpful or not?
If you are started, yes, if you are started of about this postmortem and slowly you are just
Slowly you will become aware.
yes sir, you become aware and you know very well and you and you make you become very
Intellectual person.
yes 20% and
Basically, you think that we should conduct the classes, practical classes in our schools.
Yes. I want to say something.
So like how many things or how many parts of body, like body part we can do practically, or any animals, any insect we can do practical postmortem.
Any we can do any of the birds postmortem, and also frog also. There's a lot of animal without this, because of we are mammals and they are also mammals, so the body parts are also the same. The body parts are same. And here I want to ask a question to the government: why we have to learn theory classes? Only theory class. There is only theory class. Why? Why there is no practical in the school? There is only biology lab and chemistry lab, but they have no use of it. So why? Why in only India? Why? Because of we have to Ratna cream of this. Why only in India? In German, I seen a video that they have 8th to 10th class. They have practical class. Also, they go to outside for better learning. Why not in India?
Not a single school gives any outdoor training class.
Yes,
In school.
yes. But yes, there is some school in India, but their charges are way more.
Yes, poor people cannot afford.
Yeah, poor people cannot afford this thing.
Like me, like you.
This is personal.
For our fun, right? So for poor people, absolutely, this is the pain of a student. Not only of a student, this is the pain of a society.
A student with literacy who knows that what is the situation of real India, what is the situation of education system, they can stand their hand. I have this knowledge, so I am standing my hand.
Absolutely, like why we are also just learning the same things. The book, the book which were running 20 years before, still these books are still going on in our classes, in our schools. Same method our teacher teachings, especially in this modernization. In this modernization, why we are not conducting practical classes? And especially in school, I also think that there should be a practical class, a practical classroom. No, I'm talking about should be a special class, only practical items should be there.
Yes.
Only practical items.
In my school, there is something we have to just practical do, but we don't have access.
Those are very outdated.
Only because of we don't have time to give practical things, because we are just doing theory. Yeah.
That's very shameful. And still, if we don't change this, we can't change our nation, right? Absolutely. So here is one girl, and her name is Anupriya, and she is sitting over here. She will be talking about what kind of what is the advantage and disadvantage. So you can also share information like what you have collected data about the body parts of human being. You can share. Speak something, the body parts, human being body parts, the price of human being. These things you can share.
First of all, I say what is this disadvantage and advantage of postmortem. The advantage of postmortem bring peace of the of family and bring peace of family and find
Speak, my dear brothers and sisters.
my dear brothers and sisters.
Yes, now speak.
help solving cases of criminal and how to death and medical line helps of postmortem is very much and
And this and the what is postmortem disadvantage? I tell you the advantage of disadvantage of postmortem, the late of final rates, and some religions suppose bad cutting the body before that cutting the body, and and removing the body parts. And your second question is what rates of body parts eyes rates is 1 lakh to 3 lakhs, and liver rate 10 lakh to 35 lakhs, and bone 500 to 1 lakh per piece.
There is one practical question in our society, like when a person dies, right, family feels fear in the name of postmortem. So can you tell me how many body parts are removed? How many body parts? We also know not every body parts, not everyone, not every body part. Only there are some specific body part they remove for research. So can you tell me why family members are very afraid when anyone dies in the name of postmortem?
Because of you have to imagine your brother. He was just have accident, and someone says that doctor says that we have to do postmortem. What would you feel? You are educated person, you are literate, you know the situation, but what about who don't know what is the meaning of postmortem? They are just yeah.
I have also asked the people, they have this mentality when the body is taken to the for postmortem, so they think that they remove complete things, all the body organs, all these things, and they just feel bhusa inside. They say this thing, only bhusa inside.
Sometimes it happens, but not all times. Do you know CID? Because of this show, the Indian people are afraid. Do you know about it? Because of this.
Absolutely.
They don't know the actual definition, but they know what is happen in the lab.
What happens?
Can you understand? Yeah.
Due to that, that is why.
Yes. Yes. What?
Faraz, you have spoken anything? Now, Mr. Faraz, one question. Like, what do you think about postmortem?
I think about postmortem is good thing, because if one person is died, then he do it very much bad works. Then if we will do postmortem and his body part give another person, then his atma,
Soul.
his soul will be feel good. Yes.
His soul will feel good.
Yes.
And so like that you think, but that's not reality.
No, reality.
Actually, in actual way, right? Asha, one question I'm asking.